Hello YouTube, back with another video, and today we got this GE window air conditioner in my new apartment. Some of the buttons don't work, like the fan button, but it does cool. It does cool. Sorry, that's my wife and my daughter. Oops, I just cleaned the filter, but I need to clean this out. It is not looking great. But it's got that tower fan blower in here instead of the squirrel cage that a lot of these window units have. It blows nice and cold. Put this back in here. If I can get it in here with one hand. There we go. I didn't get a good job on cleaning it, but it ain't worth it. I'm probably gonna change it out at some point since I can't change the fan speed. The button don't go up. It's stuck at 69. I can turn it down lower, but I can't turn it back up unless I have a remote, which I don't. So there's that. This does work. So there's that. Put this back on. Still needs a good cleaning. Okay, well, the GE window air conditioner. This is a 6,000 BTU AC unit. Let's go outside and look. So this unit here is pretty rotted out, as you can see. Right there on the bottom. Missing some paint. I could probably stick my finger through there. It's so rusted out. Oh yeah, it just flakes off the metal. Oh yeah. Look at that. It just flakes off the metal. It's rotted. I don't know how it's still holding the water to fling. There's a rusty unit in this window here of my new apartment. But like I said, it does work. It works pretty good. I wish I could turn the fan to high on the inside. But when this gives out, or when I find another unit, I'm gonna put in here. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll have more come later.